everyone, welcome to Sophia's Samosa Connections. Today is going to be one yummy drink recipe. Here in California, San Jose, it's very hot, and I'm tired of drinking regular juice, lemonade, and lemon water, and orange juice. And I'm going to show you a new recipe, a summer drink, cucumber mojito and mint leaves. I'm going to show you what are the ingredients, and let's dive in. And it's a mineral water, sparkling mineral water, and I have some crushed ice, and I have some crushed cucumbers, I have some crushed mint leaves, and I have some lemon, and I have a lemon tree. These are freshly picked. And to garnish, I have rosemary sprigs, and it's also from my backyard. And mint is also from backyard, by the way. And I have a chili lime blend seasoning, and I'm going to dip my glass on the tip of the glass. And when you drink the mojito, it really tastes good. And then I do have a lemon juice. This is a non-alcoholic drink, and sometimes people use some sort of alcohol into it, and you can add some rum if you would like to add. But today I'm going to make a plain cucumber mint infused mojito. All right, let's do it. So first we are going to put ice cubes. And we are going to add the lemon juice, and we are going to add some cucumber, and we are going to add the mint leaves, and we are going to pour some mineral water, sparkling mineral water. Some people like to like to add brown sugar. It's optional, or white sugar, but I'm not going to do it. And I'm going to pour this. And I'm going to dip the seasoning on the edge. And this is the chili lime seasoning that I used. To garnish, and I'm going to put some rosemary sprigs. And I'm going to garnish with lemon. There. Yummy cucumber mint mojito. Cheers. It's really good. Hope you like my recipe and subscribe to my channel. Have a good day.